How to fix automated behavior on the Instagram. Have you ever seen the "We have detected automated behavior" warning on Instagram? Or maybe your account got temporarily restricted because Instagram thinks you are a bot. Don't worry, in today's video I'll show you why this happens and how to fix it. So let's get started. The number one step is to stop all suspicious activity. If Instagram flagged you for automated behavior, it's likely due to liking, commenting, or following too fast, using the same comment over and over, sending too many DMs in a short time, using third-party apps for likes, follows, or automation. The best thing to do is pause all activity for 24 to 48 hours to let Instagram reset. Step 2 is to remove third-party apps. If you are using apps that automate actions or track followers, Instagram might see this as spam. Here is how to remove them. Open the Instagram just like this. Then tap onto your profile icon at the bottom. Then tap onto three lines right here. Then tap onto Account Center right here. From here, remove any apps you don't recognize or no longer use. Step 3 is to change your password. If your account was flagged and you didn't use automation, you might have been hacked. So simply change your password. For that, tap onto Password and Security right here. Then here we can find the Change Password option. Now tap on it. And by simply tapping on it, change your password. Set a new strong password. This locks out any suspicious devices that might be triggering automated behavior. And the final step is to simply switch your internet connection. Sometimes Instagram flags your IP address, especially if you are using public Wi-Fi or a VPN. For that, try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data. Or you can simply restart your router, disable any VPN and try again. And that's it. By following these steps, you can fix the automated behavior warning on the Instagram and prevent your account from being restricted. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.